Hello there and welcome to a new video. And in this one I'm going to show you the best platforms for you to learn Godot or even like more stuff related to game development, programming, etc. Because well, I have had my own YouTube channel with over 10k subscribers for something like 2 years now. Well, I often get asked the question, how do you learn Godot? How did you manage to learn it? I want to learn it, but I don't know where to start, what platform to use, etc. So I just want to answer that. Because well, indeed I have been able to learn a lot, so I want to share the main ways in which you can do it as efficient as possible. Well, the first platform that I will recommend is basically YouTube. If you want to learn Godot, you can look for Godot course or literally whatever, and you will find like dozens of this. For example, you have here the free code camp just from 1 year ago, a pretty straightforward introduction to how to create this platformer game that you are seeing over there. But well, I would really recommend that you start with this Patrikios tutorial, because in just 1 hour you get massive explanations with, as you can see, this kind of visual explanations that actually make this like super easy to follow along. And well, as you can see, basically start with any of these, you know, because as long as you start creating things following some kind of tutorial, you even have this one from Clearcode from something like from 1 month ago. Maybe this is a little more complicated for a beginner, because I would recommend that you start with something a little bit simpler, shorter, such as the Patrikios course or this one. Because if you start with a 10-hour course, maybe it is a little bit complicated to actually follow along. That's why if you go to the playlist of the channel, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description down below. I have here a playlist of both Godot tutorials, how to make games directly in your mobile phone using Godot, and here you have like a lot of courses. You have 1 hour and 30, 45 minutes, you have a lot of content here. You can use this in both a mobile phone and PC, but well, it is more targeted to create games directly in your mobile phone. And you also have this other one, Godot full courses. I will link this in the description down below. Well, you have also the ones on how to create games on mobile, and you also have this 2.5-hour course in which I will show you. Let me show you. So basically over here, let me show you. So as you can see, it is perfectly sectioned between, well, the different chapters of the video. This is the final result of the game that you're going to be creating, some kinds of like platformer game, super simple, but it does look good and you will learn a lot while you create it. You get access to all the assets, the source code. I even provide like a path on how to continue learning, so it is quite full. Okay, so I will leave in the description a link to this video specifically. But well, once again, the main advantage of YouTube is that, well, first of all, this is all free content, and that you also get access to like thousands of courses, once again for free. So that's the main advantage of it. If I were to learn Godot, I will take 1, 2, 3 courses, maybe something like 10 hours, 15 hours, 20 hours at most of free courses in YouTube. And then if I actually want to like level up my skills, I would buy a course, okay? But well, of course, if you don't have the money, firstly start off completely free, because there is a lot of information out there. But well, of course, investing in yourself and in your learning is one of the best things that you can do. And now, talking about investing in your learning, there are the 2 main platforms I would say to actually learn game development are GameDevTV and Zemba. In GameDevTV, you pay individually for each course that you want to take, and in Zemba, you pay basically a monthly or year subscription. But for example, here they have a complete Godot bundle for $37. Right now this is because there is like a discount, but I don't know if this bundle is always available. They are always changing here the different promotions that they offer. But well, as you can see, they have here lots of things that they are offering. I even have bought some myself. And also you can just directly go to products, Godot, view all Godot courses, and you can find like here a lot of them. You can see you have both intermediate courses and also more beginner-friendly courses. So well, once again, the main advantage of this is that they are super well structured. The instructor is probably going to be a little bit slower, so you're going to be able to actually learn better. But well, they have a cost behind. It's not that much as you could have thought of, but well, it is still an investment that if you do have the money, do it, because you're going to be able to learn more and better in less time. So I really recommend you do that. And then you also have Zemba. If you go to courses, create games, Godot, Here, as I told you, you pay a subscription, so with just one subscription you can access all this information over here. Zemba is slightly different because as you can see, GameDevTV has fewer courses but they are longer. For example, they have a course of 17.5 hours to just build one game. Here they also, well, here actually in these two they create like 3 or 4 games in these hours, but Zemba actually divides this in different courses. For example, I don't know, here you develop a 2D action RPG game in 3 hours and 40 minutes. Here a local multiplayer game, a fully fledged 2D game. I don't know, you have like different mini projects or smaller projects at least. So well, these are just different ways in which you can learn. Both are amazing platforms. So well, whatever you think is going to be the best, just go ahead. But really consider investing yourself, because when I started, I didn't actually like start paying for courses because frankly I didn't have the money. But well, now that I am able to at least like invest this little bit in courses, I tend to do it. But well, if you are starting out, do not freak out if you can't afford them or you are not sure. Just go ahead and start with YouTube, okay? And then the other thing that you can actually do is go to Udemy. What you have to take into account is that sometimes Udemy courses can be a little bit more expensive. If you go here for Godot, you're going to find like a lot of courses over here. As you can see now, the prices like are much more than what you may find in Zemba or in GameDevTV. You can find $60, $45. But like Udemy tends to also lower their prices a lot because they know that the competition they have, courses are much cheaper, okay? So they are always like mostly every 2-3 days. They basically they don't give out the courses, but they sell them for something like $10-11. So once again, the price is quite similar to what you may find in GameDevTV, for example. And the good thing here is that you can also find like a lot of catalog. The catalog here is huge because this is not just for one company. You have here courses from GameDevTV themselves, but you can see they are more expensive. They are not in discount. You have from independent instructors, etc. So it is also an amazing platform. Sometimes, if really just wait until Udemy lower their prices when they give you some kind of discount because you signed in or because there are always discounts. But once again, check out the catalog that you have over here. So indeed, it is quite good. And also wanted to show you, when you look for a Godot course and you scroll just a little bit down, you're going to be able to find a course that I created myself. This one, how to create games with Godot 4.3 plus for beginners. So basically, if this course pops up just when you look for Godot, which is a super general term, as you can see, you have lots of results. So it means that the course has something to actually offer you, because if not, Udemy wouldn't put it like at the very, as you can see, first page of it. So well, this is the course that I created with all my experience. Well, for example, here I enter in an incognito window. You can see here courses for $11. I don't know why, if I'm even in incognito, Abdul. So well, basically you can go ahead, you will learn how to create a game that I will show you in a second. So as usual, if you do have the money to actually invest in yourself and your learning, this is something that I really wish that I was able to do, or that I did when I started. But well, now I'm here to tell you that and to suggest you doing that. So well, that is all in terms of the best platforms, the best ways of learning Godot. And now I will show you a brief trailer of the course, and you're going to be able to directly buy it with the link in the description down below. If you're serious about leveling up your Godot skills, check out my course. In less than 6 hours, you'll master Godot fundamentals while building this amazing project. Links in the description. See you there.